All right, we're taking out the bolts out of a 6.0 Powerstroke in the back.
Power choke.
In the back, Powerstroke. Don't be alarmed. Don't be offended if this is your motor, but if you got to change the injectors or whatever, glow plugs, you have a problem getting these back bolts off the valve cover. They're not good to get them from the top. You have to get them from right over here, where you stick your hand right inside that little crack, and you reach up in there and you grab it. And there it goes. All right, so there's a little tip from my man, Stan.
Stan the man.
From Miami Outlaw. Somewhere in Miami. All right, so that's how you got to get it. You see how he's doing it. Don't make your life any worse than it is. Make it easy.
Oh, this bolt was loose.
Oh, the bolt was loose already?
No, there was one that was loose.
Oh.
I think.
All right, there you have it, boys and girls. Take it easy. What year is this truck, by the way?
05.
05. Well, what year is the 6.0s were made?
03 to, the Abominations were made from 03 to 07. And then they really came out with an abomination called a 6.4.
Well, that's another story. This is how you stay in business, right?
If it wasn't for these trucks, I would be selling you French fries at McDonald's.
Okay, what did you tell the guy at first what was wrong with the truck?
That it had a bad injector?
No, you told him to look up in the front.
Oh yeah, if you have a problem with your vehicle and you're on the side of the road, the problem will be circled on the front grille.
What? Here?
Yes, right
Oh,
there.
okay. All right, take it easy.